We have a really simple day today. I'm just going to show you how I get my peas and beans and sweet potatoes to grow up my trellis and create this tunnel for my hammock. Let's get to it. I have this big mess of vines, both sweet potatoes and black-eyed peas, growing like crazy. Some of them have found their way by themselves. They find a string to start growing up, but I can also help them get going. So let's see here. Weaving it in and out, trying to be careful, hopefully not breaking it. But if it breaks off, it's not the end of the world. It'll actually just continue growing from other parts of the plant. Ooh, there are already flowers on my sweet potatoes. Aren't those pretty? A little purple trumpet. Yes. So sweet potatoes do not grow up a trellis by themselves, but you can train them. Wow. You can definitely tell I've been neglecting the garden and it's just been growing itself. It's crazy. Now, I would say it would have been better if I had done this earlier. I let them grow for a long time, but it's not the end of the world. I was busy and it's really hot, so I have a very short window of time where I can be outside and getting things done. Yes, these grow fast. This is going to be covered pretty soon, and then I'll have some shade for my hammock. Yes, it is technically a squash tunnel from gardeners.com, but yeah, I grow any kind of vines up it. So right now for me, this is going to be a sweet potato and black-eyed pea tunnel. I love these flowers. Gorgeous. Look at you. So, whoopsie, I broke her. But I'm gonna take her inside and put her in a cup of water. Maybe a thimble. I'm just kidding. Actually, I have some really cute little crystal shot glasses that make good tiny flower vases. Woo! Let's tackle the other side that's even more overgrown. And even these little beans are yummy. So, garden snacks, yay! It's really good. Because I don't spray chemicals on them, I know they're clean. So I am fine with eating them without cleaning them, unless they look dirty, and then I'll wash it off. Okay, well, these look a little wonky right now, but once they're here for a little bit, the plants will get used to it and the leaves will start facing towards the sun and looking happy again. All right, I'm gonna just leave it there and I'll do the other side by myself. I'll see you guys soon.